Let's start rigging our Zepeto earring item. Open Zepeto Studio, find the guides on the left panel, then click Studio Guides. Click Preparing 3D Modeling. Then scroll to Step 2. Since we're creating an earring, we should use the headwear guide. So go ahead and download it. Now let's import the headwear guide. Find the headwear guide, then press Import FBX. So here, we have a dummy hair, dummy head, armature, and mask. I had to hide the other objects first cause for now, I only needed to see the ears. Now let's unhide our pendant aka our earrings. As we can see, this is way too big for an earring, so I will just resize it and move it near the ear part. To resize, use S key. To move, use G key. Based on your avatar size, you can decide how big or small you want it to be. In my case, I also want to make it a bit longer, so I use S plus Z keys. And of course, I had to make sure that it's actually attached on the ear of the avatar. We have to look at it at every angle and move it to the ear. We don't want a floating object, haha. In my case, I also want to rotate it a little cause it looks too straight. I use R key. I am already satisfied with this, so I will now create the other side. Open the modifiers properties and add a mirror modifier. Press the eyedropper, then click the avatar aka mask. After that, click the drop-down button and choose Apply. Since we moved our item, our point of origin is not the center anymore. This would affect our item's size and position. To fix it, I use the mask as center origin reference. Just duplicate the mask and combine the earring and the mask. After combining, go to Edit mode and delete the avatar. Now we're left with our earring item again. Now for the actual rigging process, and hide the armature. Click the item, then Shift-click Armature. Right-click, hover to parent and choose Armature Deform with empty groups. And as you can see, the item automatically moved under the armature. Next, open Weight Paint. Since the item we're creating is just an earring, we only need to follow the head movement. So go ahead and click the head bone in vertex groups. Then go to Edit mode and select everything by using a key. Click Vertex Selection and type Weight. Go to Weights and choose Set Weight. Next, go back to Object Mode and click the armature. Then open Pose Mode. I used our key to rotate the head bone, and as you can see, the item moves according to the head movement. Now let's export our item. Click the item, then Shift-select Armature and Mask. Click File, then hover to export and choose FBX. On the right panel, check Selected Objects. Scroll and under Armature, uncheck Add Leaf Bones. After that, you can rename your file and select your file directory. Then press Export FBX button. We're now done creating our 3D file. Thank you for watching.